Hi, I'm George and welcome to RBSL. I've currently been at the company 3 years as an assembly and integration technician. Here at RBSL, we build military vehicles. We start every day off with our morning meeting to find out our workload for the day. It's a job that requires precision, teamwork and passion in order to build something meaningful. I really like the fact that we're provided with the best quality tools in order to complete our tasks. We work a 37-hour work week with the options for shifts and overtime.
Hi, I'm Kieran and I'm an assembly and integration technician here at RBSL Telford. An important part of my job is to understand and acknowledge technical engineering drawings. These go hand in hand with work orders that we get given and work instructions to complete a job. Collaboration is a massive part of how we work here at RBSL. There's a wealth of knowledge and information from people from all different backgrounds that helps us deliver the product to the customer. We regularly rotate our job within each day. This keeps the job interesting, working on different tasks and getting a good understanding of the different parts of the vehicle. Working here isn't just a job, it's something unique and meaningful. We build vehicles to protect those who protect us.